in an airplane that was actually designed for him by MX Aircraft. This is the MXS RH, designed for his own specifications. And as he takes off, you're going to see some of the most creative flying anywhere in the world today. He's from Nashua, New Hampshire, a graduate of Daniel Webster College, and it looks like he's going to get things started with a quick buzz of the tower and diving in and close to 200 miles per hour. This gentleman is the current world freestyle aerobatic champion. He has won that title 6 times, more than anyone else on the face of the earth. There he is. There's one hammerhead. There's 2. Now watch Rob Holland. This is the kind of flying that gave him that title of the World Freestyle Aerobatic Championship, as he does not one, but a double forward flip. I got to talking to Rob Holland the other day. I said, do you like to watch other people fly? He says, not so much, except just to find out what they don't do. Because what they do, because he wants to do something that nobody else is doing. And you'll see some of that right here. There's 1,000 feet. He goes into some tumbling maneuvers, but here we go. He'll slow it down, and he'll spin it around in a frisbee turn. How about that, Pensacola? That is awesome. Now he's doing a moderately paced series of aileron rolls, but this airplane will actually roll at over 540 degrees per second. Does a knife-edge hammerhead on the way down. Watch the precision of the point rolls left and right. Gravity wins, and he's using it to his advantage right now. He'll pull hard on the stick, experiencing 10 times his normal body weight. He practices 3 weeks straight, flying 3 times a day down in Louisiana at the beginning of every airshow season, so he can handle the punishing G-forces being imposed on him by this airplane and by his own incredible aerobatic strength and talent. Not only is he the world reigning freestyle aerobatic champion, but he has won that title 6 times, more than anyone else in history. And that 6th time was just last August in Poland. He is also the 12-time undisputed current U.S. National Unlimited Aerobatic Champion. He is the 2013 Bill Barber Award for Showmanship winner, the 2012 Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship winner. He was a 2008, he was the World Advanced Aerobatic Champion. And I will share something with you. When he was on the aerobatic team, he used to say to his fellow teammates before they flew, he'd look at them and say, fly good, don't suck. And that's some of the merchandise you can check online at rhaerosports.com. You can get some great Rob Holland merchandise. Up to 45, rolls on the upline, now goes to the outside, right-handed rolls and does the tumbling maneuver that hangs it right on the prop and throws the tail right over the nose. Give it up for Rob Holland, Pensacola. This kind of flying is not for the faint of heart. But watch him now as the airplane tumbles. He does another frisbee turn. He make it a double. Watch him roll the plane upright. Check this. This is called the Cobra. Give Rob Holland a big round of applause, everybody. And we're going to have a...
It is one of our heroes. I don't know how we're going to... That's going to happen without you around. So we're very, very happy for you. And we wish you all the best. It's really an honor to have you announcing for us week after week. That sounds so good. Rob, I want to dedicate this heart to you. Your Airshow family and myself, we love you.
You got me, partner. You got me. Well, Rob, I cannot thank you enough for that. I appreciate the kind words. What do you have for us next? Now, as he starts down, he's accelerating to that 300 miles an hour with those maximum performance aileron rolls. Let's watch the artistry. Let's watch the creativity. Let's watch the skill, the talent, and the excitement of Rob Holland. These kinds of tumbling maneuvers were not even thought of 40 years ago. It took this lightweight composite carbon fiber, very strong materials built to these airplanes, and incredible skill to do these kinds of tumbles. A significant 385 horsepower engine and propeller combination allows Rob Holland to maintain this high level of proficiency as he does the Leo roll. Dedicated to the late, great Leo Laudenschlager, who prior to Rob getting the 12 times, held the record at 8 consecutive U.S. National Aerobatic Championships. Now, as we're watching him go from a slide winder with a roll into a torque roll, I want to introduce my buddy, a fellow world champion, or the U.S. and world aerobatic champion, Michael Goulian. Michael, you gotta love what he does, right?
Absolutely, Rob. You know, this is what we call the Airshow family, and watching Rob here being a part of so many of our friends' last Airshow, it's emotional for all of us here, and a beautiful blue sky at Pensacola just doesn't get any better.
It really doesn't. And he has demonstrated some great tenacity over the years to give himself that ability and that recognition that he so greatly deserves.
Yeah, absolutely. Rob is, you know, he's one of the best that's ever lived in our business. And like you say, practice, practice, practice. And it's actually not our last Airshow. We go to Stewart, Florida next weekend, and Rob and I are going to be in Sebring, Florida, in the middle of nowhere, practicing for 4 days before our last Airshow. So it's always trying to stay razor's edge, right?
Absolutely. Now, I've got a clock on this. When he's going to put this into a hover, he's going to slow it down to almost zero airspeed. What is he trying to do inside the airplane? I got the clock started right there. What's happening inside?
Well, right now he's got the power fold, the nose up, the airplane, he's trying to keep it from sinking, and he's just balancing it on a feathered edge, right? So ailerons, elevator, rudder, he's just balancing the stick, keeping it in the air. He's watching where he is on the flight line, making sure he doesn't get too close to the crowd. He's also watching the engine temperatures, making sure it doesn't get too hot. He's just holding it and holding it and holding it until basically the airplane has given Rob everything he can do.
There's 29 seconds. There's 30 seconds in the hover. Oh boy, he got 35 seconds the other day. There's 35. He's still going for it. This is amazing, ladies and gentlemen. And Michael Goulian, 41 seconds. That's impressive, ain't it?
Unbelievable. Absolutely cool. And I hope all the people here in Pensacola are just loving what they're seeing today.
Yeah, I know you've flown the show here in the past. You're here as an honorary Blue Angel. You, me, Wayne,
Rob, it's a pleasure to be here. See you all tonight.
Michael Goulian, everybody. Let's give him a round of applause. Now, here's a tops up. Flip it over there, Rob. There you go. Bottoms up pass. Now, he's just been given clearance to land. This is one of the fun ones here because he's way too high to land. So watch him now. He'll let the airplane come over and he'll put it into a flat spin. The airplane is not flying, it's falling, but it's falling under control. He'll turn it around about 3 or 4 times, and once he does, he'll cross control the airplane, dive it down. Now, if you want to get your cameras on it, do it now, because this is a very unique, we call it the unlanding. Touches down, he says, I'm not done yet. He rolls it over one more time and touches down.